Welcome to Claude Code for Procurement, a beginner's hands-on guide. I am glad you are here. This course is built for procurement professionals who want to stop copying and pasting into chat windows and start building AI systems that actually understand how they work. You are in Chapter 1, The Context Architect. And this is Lesson 1, How Claude Finds Your CLAUDE.md Files. This is where you learn how to brief Claude the right way, not with a single prompt, with a structured, layered set of files that Claude reads automatically every time it starts. Files that carry your role, your rules, your domain knowledge, and your preferences, so you never have to repeat yourself again. This lesson is your foundation. Everything else in the Context Architect builds on what you are about to see. Let's get into it. Did you know the same question can yield different answers from Claude? It all depends on the folder you start from. In this lesson, you are going to prove something with your own eyes. Claude does not have just one set of instructions. It has a stack of them. One general file that always loads, and one specialist file per folder that loads on top of it, but only when you start Claude from inside that specific folder. By the end of this lesson, you will have planted 2 test messages in 2 different files, started Claude from 2 different folders, and watched exactly which messages appear each time. You are not trusting an explanation, you are seeing it happen. Let's begin. Claude's behavior changes based on the starting folder. This isn't a flaw, but a feature. Each folder acts like a specialist file. The general file loads universally. Understand this, and you'll leverage it daily. Think of a doctor's office. Your general file is always accessed. A specialist adds another layer of notes. Claude operates similarly. One general file and one specialist file per folder. Right-click your Course 02 folder. You can see an option Open in Terminal. Click on that. The terminal will open. Don't worry for the black screen. It will be very easy to use. Type the cd command with the path to the practice folder. Press Enter. Your terminal now indicates your location. In our case, it's the practice directory. Open the CLAUDE.md file in the practice folder. Add the line, at the start of every reply, say global file loaded. Save the file. This line will load universally. It's like a card on top of a filing cabinet. Let's explore Direct Materials. Navigate to the Direct Materials subfolder. Open its CLAUDE.md file. Replace its content with, after global file loaded, on the next line. Also say, materials file loaded. Save it. This file loads only from this folder. Type cd direct materials in your terminal. Press Enter. Your prompt now ends in /direct materials. Claude will read its instructions from here. This location is crucial. Type Claude and press Enter. Wait for the prompt, then ask, "Hello, what files are in this folder?" The reply shows both files loaded. This happens because of your starting folder. Quit Claude by typing /quit. Navigate to the Logistics folder. Start Claude again and ask the same question. Only the global file loads this time. The folder context changed. Remove test lines from both files. Restore the global CLAUDE.md to its original state. Do the same for Direct Materials CLAUDE.md. Save both files. This ensures no leftover instructions. Claude reads CLAUDE.md files once at start. Changes during runtime aren't seen. Write, save, then start Claude. This sequence is vital. It prevents overlooked instructions. You've seen Claude's system in action. You tested messages from 2 folders, observed different outcomes. This hands-on approach solidifies understanding. No need to take anyone's word. Next, you'll fill these files with real context. This changes how Claude perceives your work. Each file can influence Claude's responses. The right context makes all the difference. Prepare for the next lesson. Claude's behavior hinges on folder context. You've learned how to manipulate the system. Use it to your advantage in future tasks.